how to get transit tutorial on transit app. Hello friends, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial I will show you how you can get transit tutorial on the transit app, and then how do you get about it. The first step is to sign in into your transit app, just like I have done here. And then once you've signed in, you'll be brought to the home page automatically. On this page you can see your map and all of that. And then once you can see this, move to the top left corner of your screen and then click on the gear icon. After clicking on the gear icon, you will be brought to the page where you see latest features. Now, Royale is a feature, okay, an upgraded feature of the free transit application, and then you have to qualify before you can do this. So if you've qualified for the Royale feature, on this page you will see a little crown. All right, so once you see this, click on it. All right, once you've clicked on this, you will be directed on, you'll be taken to another page where you'll be asked to upgrade. Click on the upgrade, and then all that you need to do would be given to you, if it's to engage in more rights or pay in order to get the transit Royale. Now the little crown means that whenever you see a little crown perhaps on a line, or on a transit line on your map, for example, if there's a transit line on this app and then you see little crowns, it means that that line is far enough away from your current location and your access to it is limited unless you upgrade to Royale. So by the time you go back to this page, you will see the option of how you can upgrade. Ensure you click on this option, ensure you upgrade, and then from there you would get transit Royale even on the app. And then if you still cannot get this, move to the last icon on this screen and then click on the email us icon in order to lay your complaints, and then a response will be sent to you via email on what you can do to correct it. So this is how you can do it. This is how you can get transit Royale on transit app. Thanks for watching and have a good day.